Yo, what's good with y'all boys? Welcome to another one. Today I'm at the Cars and Coffee meet in Irving. I just pulled up. We got some old schools over here. The exotics stay over there. That's the type of meet we have, like, you know, exotic cars, you know, Ferraris, Lambos, stuff like that. It just now started, so people pulling up. So you already know it's finna get live soon, man. Stay tuned. Yes, sir. All right, we got a dream car right here. 458, red. I ain't really a fan of this right here, personally. But this mud still dope. Man. This is clean. Man, C7 pulling up. Z06. Got a Supra. Love with me. Ooh, big body legs, carbon hood. I've seen this one before. That's nice. Yeah, man, 458. Got a Huracan. These motors so clean. Got a McLaren, I think this is a 720S. Man, yeah, 720S. This mother look crazy in the daytime. Every time I seen one, it's been like at night. And they been like a darker color. This orange look good. Carbon fiber. God dang. Supra pulling up. Two of them. C5 right here. Got the gray. Yes, sir. White Supra. You know, these mugs always look clean. Camaro. It's this little SS. Oh no, he be bad. Woo. This Beamer right here looking mean. M4. We got the plate bracket. Oh, that's clean. Carbon fiber mirrors. And them seats. This is super nice. Got an Audi posted. ZL1. It's a dream car right here too. Big Chevy. Man, these mugs are nice. Let's see what they got going on inside. Wow. Man, I wasn't expecting any of this. What? Bro, this is crazy. So they have a tour going on. So I'm gonna go hop in with them. Ooh, this right here. Bro, this is crazy. Wow, man. Alright, let's see what this tour talking about. Man, there's all types of stuff back here, man. This right here is crazy. It's Camaro. It's purple is dope. Got a Stingray. Man, I was not expecting any of this, man. Elco, dream car right here too. Ooh, big body Phantom. Another McLaren Chevelle. Vets. What is this? Man, hold up, man. Big body Plymouth. Road Runner. NSX C7. Another Rari. Man, what? Continental. Bro, this is crazy. No clue what this is. Wow. This RX-7. It's clean. Dang.
Oh my God.
That mud right there, mean. This right here is where they wash the cars at. R8. Another Plymouth. Old school. Maybach. Way back. Man, got the Maybach on the lights. That's dope. Dream car right here. Vet. Another one. Wow, I've never seen one of these before. I forgot what they're called. It's a cool car though. This right here though. This right here, mean. Woo, big body leg. Quit playing. Fit. Two red Supers. Shelby Mustang. Mercury Cougar. Man, this place is dope. GTR. Hellcat. Man. Okay, that right there, that's an S13. I couldn't tell what that was. Bro, this place is dope. Got a Brabus G-Wagon. Bro, what? Big leg. Yes, sir. Man. I know this right here, a few M's. Man, I know it's gotta be millions of dollars worth of cars in here. Maybe even a bill, goddamn. Probably not no bill, but for sure, it's some M's up in here, man. And it still go back there too. Man, I wasn't expecting none of this, y'all, at all. This is crazy. Black. That mud. Ooh, that mud mean, boy. Camaro. That mud right there talking. Two Vets. There go that Brabus. Man. Got this R8 right here. Black on black, super clean. Goes to service station. I don't know what this is. It's cool though. Ooh, charger. Man. These right here though. What are these, like Jags? Yeah, Jaguars. Old school Jags. Ooh, bro, I love how these look, man. There's all types of stuff in here. This truck right here, clean. Wow, man. Got a Ford GT up there. Bro, this place is so cool. Ooh. Man, I forgot what these are called, but I love these, man. They got the headlights that pop up. I haven't seen one in person yet, but man, this mud look cool. Got another vet. It's a whole bunch of vets up here. It's another one right there. Jag. Ooh, this right here. This mud me. Big Chevy up there. Man, high ride. Got the Porsche GT3, I think. It may not be. Let me know if I'm wrong. I don't know what this is. This is dope. This is a Jag? Oh no, it's a Ford. That's a dog right there, not no Jaguar. Man, what? Don't sleep on the S2K, boy. Bro, this right here is dope. What the heck? Continental photo too? Bro, what? Got that JFK photo too, not the little one. Oh, they got that V. What? Alfa Romeo. Bro, this place is dope. Big Shelby up there. Mustang.
That's pretty much all the cars. We'll go ahead and start making our way back towards the front. Does anybody have any questions?
They talking about going back to the front. I'm at the high back here.
Oh, okay. Like that one's not like 10 miles heritage. They're both technically heritage editions, but they're 10 miles just a little bit more. I think the heritage edition have back colors on both.
Triumph. Y'all let me know what this is. Got all type of bikes right here. Triumph. That's the same brand as that car, so I guess that's the brand of the car. Never heard of that. These are super dope. Got a Harley. No clue what this is. Another Triumph. Another one. Kawasaki. These over here are Triumph too. So I guess they do cars and motorcycles, or mostly motorcycles. Never heard of that brand. Porsche right here, another one. Check this out again. It's all type of Porsches, an R8, They got a Ford Lightning back there. That's dope. Got a Volkswagen bus. Bronco. Man, this place is dope. Got the AMX right here. So this is the store itself, the Shop Dallas. So I guess it's a restaurant, you know, and they got car stuff, and it's like a car service and storage. So these are more of the bikes, a whole bunch of Ducatis, Yamahas. Man. Ooh, L code. Wow, man. Bro, this is dope. This is heaven right here. It's the coolest place I ever done been to. This right here is cool. Actually got an engine, 3.5 horsepower. I wonder who drove this. That's cool. Little Honda bike. Guess I'm gonna sit down and get some food, see what they talking about. Just sat down, got me a table for one. You know, real ones roll one deep, you know what I'm saying? Dang, that's the whole menu? Alright. But yeah. Right here next to the cars. Yeah. It's where I belong. I love this right here. Hey, hold up, man. That thick bacon, boy. Fried eggs, toast, potatoes. With the whips. Man, quit playing, man. I ain't gonna lie, I completely forgot about the meat. The store itself was crazy. Man, we got a Hellcat out here. I don't think I've ever seen this color. I don't know a Challenger or a Charger. It's not like a normal blue. It kind of turned purple. Yeah, Hellcat. You got the Mickeys on here. Big meats. That's dope. Got a C7 right here. Bright yellow. Got another Scat. Little Mustang pulling up. And another info. Man, honestly, this meat probably ain't even no meat for real. It's just people pulling up to this store that are regular customers, you know. But it's a few more stuff over here. Let's check it out. These old school Vans. Man, that's cool. Got like the wood grain look-alike paint. Oh, Ford, these cool. Look like some lawn ornaments pretty much. These right here dope. Yes, sir. So we got a Raptor right here. These mugs dope. And then this crazy Jeep Gladiator. Dang. Yeah, I know this mud fun. Super nice. Alright, y'all, we at the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. If you made it this far, man, if you're in Dallas, you gotta come to this place, the Shop Dallas. This place was super dope. I honestly wasn't even expecting this. I didn't even know that I was coming to this place. I just saw the location and know the cars that were supposed to be here, so I pulled up. You know, this is my first time ever coming, and man, that was a real cool experience. I'm gonna for sure be back with my homeboys. I pulled up one deep. I'm gonna for sure have to bring them next time. Yeah, man, I had to pull up. Dirty truck, brown skin, you know, but I had to represent, you know what I'm saying? This was for sure dope, man. If you in Dallas, you gotta come. The Shop Dallas, man. Food was good too, real good. Yeah, man, thank y'all for watching. If you made it this far, if you enjoyed, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Yes, sir. We out.